Hi, I'm Choon. I'm the Dean of Doctoral Studies and Mission Initiative of Malaysia Baptist Theological Seminary. It's my honor to be part of the subcommittee of GA 2022. Do you remember the first PC that you owned? I was so careful in doing the unboxing. I was so careful so that I might not get electric shock. My mother even reminded me not to overuse it because it might get heated up and explode. I was so excited at the same time to use the Microsoft Word in preparing the assignment that will impress my teachers. I was so excited to connect to the world through internet. This is how we are seeing the digital world today. Careful and excited. Is the digital world going to change the landscape of theological education? Perhaps it's an update from the older version. Perhaps it is an upset for those who are not ready. And perhaps it is an upgrade that we do not want to miss. Come and let us hear from one another. Most importantly, come and let us hear from the Lord for these generations. See you in Penang.